Hi, Paul with Diode, and today we're talking about LED headlight bulbs again. Specifically, we're going to talk about why you don't need light going all the way around with LEDs. Now, with halogen bulbs, of course, you have light in that filament, and you'd think, yeah, the light's shining all directions, so we need light in all directions. There's actually some headlight bulbs on the market where they've tried to do this. This one in particular has LEDs on all four sides in order to try to shine light in all directions. But this actually isn't very useful. The first thing to know is that no headlight bulb is going to actually shine light in all directions. So a halogen bulb is still going to have a return wire, or a wire that's holding up the actual filament, a support wire, and that's going to block the light coming out of one side. So already one big area is dark, essentially, when we look at the output all the way around the bulb. So from there, you have to say, well, when the headlight designers design these headlights, they have a bulb to start from. They're going to use the most useful output from this bulb, and that's going to be going from the two sides. And you can see that with how headlights are then designed. They're designed in rectangular patterns with reflectors coming to the sides. This is what I would say is the useful surfaces. They're the useful reflectors in this headlight, and that's where they're going to collect the light and shine it forward. If the light shines up or down in one of these headlights, it actually just goes to diffusing surfaces. So any light that's shining up, any light that's shining down from our halogen bulb is going to be basically wasted. So we're not even going to use that light. So it's in our best interest to put more light shining to the sides on one of these headlights. For the same reason, we don't want light coming straight out. If we shine light straight out, it's just going to shine everywhere and create glare for other drivers. So you'll see a lot of headlights also have big caps in them. That's also why some halogen bulbs have a painted cap. It's so when you're looking straight at it, you're not going to be shining glare into the eyes of other drivers in every direction. It's all about trying to control the light coming out. And when we're talking about focusing light, it's always better to start with something that's more focused. A good LED bulb is already going to be more focused because we're only shining light to the useful surfaces. The only light that's coming out of this LED is shining towards these reflectors and these reflectors. We're not wasting any light going straight up. We're not wasting any light going straight forward. All we're doing is shining to those reflectors. They're going to actually direct the light onto the road. So while these types of bulbs are interesting, they're really going to not even perform as well because we're wasting more of that light up and down into these headlights that just aren't designed to focus that amount of light. That's why we only look at the two sides for LED headlight bulbs, especially in reflector designs. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us. You can find more information at diodynamics.com. Thanks for watching.